Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Sarah Alwani binti Suhardi from University Sains Islam Malaysia. Today I want to talk about strategic planning. Okay, strategic planning means a process where we create a strategic fit between company organization, which is goal and capabilities, and all the other part. That strategic fits will be the changing opportunities in the target market. Example of strategic planning. Imagine you work for a company that develops software for storing and listening to music on a computer. Having this software was very important to your customer, and so you have continued to sell and support your product. If you were only planning for the day-to-day operation of your company and not what is occurring in your market, what would happen? Perhaps Apple would recognize that customers want to access to all of their music all the time and introduce iPod. Virtually overnight, your computer-based product would obsolete and the company would be in very big problem because you had not created strategic planning. You need a management team to help you in making the strategic planning and follow the steps of strategic planning. Every business in industry make a different way for the planning. So there are no wrong way for the strategic planning, except they are not do the planning. Okay, the first step for the strategic planning is mission. Okay, the mission is what is our business? Who is the customer? What do consumer value? All of these questions are among the most difficult that the company need to answer. Many organizations develop formal mission statement that answer all the questions carefully and completely. So, mission statement is a statement of the organization purpose, what it want to accomplish in the larger environment. Therefore, a clear mission statement acts as an invisible hand that guides people in an organization. Then we will move on to the second step, which is setting objective and goals. The second step is setting objective and goals. The company needs to turn its mission into detailed supporting objective for each level of management. Each manager should have objective and be responsible for reaching them. There are two objectives, which is business objective and marketing objective. One of the business objective is build profitable customer relationship, invest in research, and improve profits. While in marketing objective, we can see that it increase in market share, create local partnership, and increase promotion. After that, we will go to the third step, which is designing a business portfolio. Designing business portfolio is guided by the company mission statement and objective. Management plans its business portfolio or the collection of business and products that make up the company. So, the company that want the best fit of business portfolio that they need to produce in the environment. To do this, it must analyze and adjust its current business portfolio and develop growth and downsizing strategies for adjusting the future portfolio. Many companies are now designing more customized portfolio planning approach that better suit their unique situation. All of the three steps that I said before is all of that is under the corporate level. So, we will transfer the corporate level to the business unit product market level, which is planning, marketing, and other fractional strategies. Company what strategic planning guide the planning and strategies. That's all from me. I hope that you will enjoy my video. Thank you.